Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you could fix that problem in a couple of minutes. I myself have dealt with this problem like a lot in the past couple of years, so I have decided to make a video in which I'm going to show you 4 problems that might be causing trouble in getting access to internet. So it says that you are connected to internet, but as you can see, the web browser is not working. See, and in order to fix that, of all the hours that I have put in searching for its fix were turned out to be all in vain. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So all you have to do is type in cmd in search bar and run it as administrator. It's very important to run it as administrator before you type commands in. So it is very you have to be very careful while typing in the command, because these sometimes can be case sensitive. You don't have to worry about it. I'm going to provide that in the video description. So there you go. Traders /o or /add and rook service without space. Now hit the enter. It says specified account name is already member. It has been completed already in my computer, but if you've got any problem, it will show it has been completed successfully. So I'm just going to repeat that process. Since it has been done in my laptop, it will not show up. So I'm going to repeat another command without space, then space, administrators and /add network local service. So hit the enter. Now all you have to do it will say it has been successfully completed instead of this saying which you see. So just restore your computer, and once you have done that, all you have to do is type in local services, view local services. Now open it and it will show you this. Just find diagnostic policy service, make sure if it is running, and here it is running. So now open the internet and see whether your net is back or not, whether your connections are back or not, or you can see if that is working. Now coming to the next thing is gonna be in the command prompt now, and here you should be very careful, because all the letters that I'm gonna write and that I'm gonna type in will be in capital letters. So you have to on the cap lock and just type in. Just follow me. Once again, I repeat that I'm going to provide that in in very description below, so you don't have to worry about it. You know, so it says this. Now the next, now next. Just remember, it should be all in administrator. You should run it as administrator, otherwise it will not work. So here you go. If you can follow me, then it's good. If you do not, I'm gonna provide. So there you go. All you have to do is restart your computer once again and see if it's if your web browser is working or not. Mine will work now. If these two things do not work for you, I'm gonna provide you the link of a software which goes by the name Spy100. Just download it. You can download it for anywhere. Just download it. Okay. There you go. It's a good software, and what it does at the end of the day is it checks on adwares that might be causing trouble in your laptop. What it does is actually keeps track of all of your data, adware, and adwares are potential threats as it can hamper your internet connection, and it might be a big issue for you. So in order to fix that, you have to install this software, Spy100. You can get it from anywhere. So I'm not going to open this software, it's quite big, so I'm gonna end this process straight away. There you go. So, and now last one that I'm going to tell you about is now device manager. If still there is problem, you can go to the computer. You can go to your computer, go to the system properties, and then go to the advanced system settings, and here you will see device manager. Let me see where it is. Let me get it. Hey, here's this. No, you have to you have to do it. You have to click on this one here. You have to click on this one. Sorry, messed up. And once you have done that, go to network adapters. So let me see. Here it is. So all you have to do is make sure that these network adapters are up to date. If they are not up to date, just update it. If it still doesn't work out for you, update the driver software. If it is not updated, and if it still doesn't work, uninstall it and install the new one. So if I hope this helped you out the way it did back then when I was searching for the same. Have a good one. Peace.